In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Battle.net on Overwatch U PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, I'm going to teach you how to do this process over at the Battle.net or the Blizzard website. So all you have to do is, using a web browser either on your computer or your phone or even your console, access the Battle.net website and sign into your account. Once you are properly signed in, hover over your name at top right corner of the screen and access the account settings. Immediately, you will be redirected to the account overview page. Using the menu at the left side of your screen, first access the security tab. The most straightforward way of logging out of Battle.net on Overwatch on your PlayStation 4 is to come over to the Security tab and at the Recent Login Activity tab, select Log Out from all devices. You will get this prompt. You will be logged out from all devices. Do you want to continue? If you select Log Out, immediately your account will be signed out of on your PlayStation 4. However, maybe you are signed into another console or even your phone and you don't want to lose the access. So what you can consider doing is switching over to the Connections tab instead. And over here, you will be able to disconnect or unlink your PlayStation Network account. You will have the button to disconnect it over here at the right side. As you can see, I don't have a link, but you will be able to follow the prompts on screen to disconnect both accounts. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to sign out of Battle.net on Overwatch on your PlayStation 4. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.